Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a mascara review. Today I'm testing out the e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. Haven't tried this before. Heard very good reviews from this, especially from my mother. She loves this mascara, so I thought I had to get it. It's only £6, bargain, but I am a very fussy person when it comes to mascara, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm currently in the middle of filming a foundation review video, so I thought it'd be perfect to test this out at the same time. So I have the shade Black. Is it black or very black? Pitch Black. I have the shade. This is what the wand looks like. Kind of reminds me of the Maybelline Lash Sensational wand. Very similar. And yeah, I'm very fussy with mascara, so we'll see how this goes. So I have nothing on my lashes at the moment. Let's zoom you in so you can see what they look like. Okay, so I'm going to curl my lashes using the Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and then we'll go in with the mascara. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. Love that. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is one coat. I know this eye has held the curl better than this eye, but look at it. This is just one coat. This might be my new favourite mascara, and it's only £6. Look at it. It just looks great. It's held the curl. Even on this eye, it has held the curl. I find it so difficult to hold the curl, and it's done it. Love it. So my verdict on that mascara, 10 out of 10. If I could give it higher, I would. The fact this is only £6 is a bargain. I am so fussy with mascaras, and I absolutely love this one. Look at the curl. I don't know what's happened with this eye. Maybe I just need to recurl it a little bit when it's dry, but this eye is perfect. It's held the curl and it's only £6. I am definitely going to go out and buy more backups of these because this is my new favourite mascara. So affordable as well. So if you haven't tried this mascara yet and you're thinking about it, go for it. It is such a good mascara, so I love it. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!